Hola, soy Renata Cavazos y este es mi guión de inglés, que se llama My Future Professional and Entrepreneurial Plan. Hello, today I am going to talk about my professional and entrepreneurial plans for the future. In the next 4 years, I will be studying and developing specialized skills that will allow me to stand out in a competitive environment. It will be focused not only on technical skills but also on problem solving and innovation with others, but also on problem solving and innovation with others. My follow traditional paths and will be exploring new ways to apply my co-building in real-world situations. At the same time, I will be working on small, independent projects. I will be collaborating with different people and figuring out to manage responsibilities. By doing this, it will be gaining experience that would bring to classroom. By the time it graduates, it will complete several practical projects and demonstrate my abilities. I will have built a portfolio that reflects not only my abilities but also my creativity and initiative. In 5 years, I will be working and professional every moment where I can continue growing. It will be taking on more responsibility and contributing to mangrove protection. I will also be observing market needs and identifying opportunities of innovation. By that time, I will have developed strong professional relationships and I will have looking further ahead. I will be building my own company. It will focus on solving real problems in society, not just generating profit. While managing my business, it will be guiding a team and creating strengths of Wharton. By the end of 10 years, it will have a dazzling style and sustainable business. It will have creative opportunities not only for myself but also of others. Muchísimas gracias por ver. Bye.